Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify a crypto transaction on Etherscan using TX hash step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Etherscan website. In the search bar at the top of the page, enter the TX hash. Ensure that the TX hash is accurate to avoid any errors. Press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the search icon. Wait for the page to load. You will see a summary of the transaction on the screen. Review the transaction details, such as the block number, timestamp, and from / to addresses. Check the value of Ether transferred in the transaction. Look for the transaction status to confirm if it was successful. If the status shows success, the transaction has been completed. If the status shows any other result, note it for further investigation. Scroll down to see additional details like gas fees and input data. If needed, click on links for related addresses to view their activities. Use this information to track or verify any discrepancies. Feel free to bookmark the page for future reference. Close the browser tab when you're done. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.